In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple events at once in Google Calendar. If you're finding yourself overwhelmed by too many entries in your calendar, this method will help you declutter quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First off, make sure you're on your desktop and have Google Calendar open. Once Google Calendar is loaded, take a look on the left side of the screen where you'll find the section labeled My Calendars. This area lists all the calendars that you have available. Now hover your cursor over the specific calendar from which you want to delete events. When you do this, you'll notice 3 vertical dots appearing next to the calendar name. Go ahead and click on those dots. This action will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll want to choose the option labeled Settings and Sharing. Once you're in the settings for that calendar, start by scrolling down the page until you come across a section marked Remove Calendar. Here you have a specific option that's particularly useful for our purpose today: Clear Calendar. Clicking on this option starts the process of deleting the events. But before everything gets deleted, you will be prompted to confirm your decision. A message will appear asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete all events in the calendar. This is an irreversible action, so make sure you absolutely want to clear out all events before you proceed. If you're ready, go ahead and confirm by selecting Permanently Delete All Events. It's important to note that using this method will erase all the events from your calendar, but the calendar itself will remain intact and available for future use. This is very useful if you just want to start fresh without having to create a new calendar from scratch. And that's it! By following these steps, you can easily clear out multiple or even all events from your Google Calendar without the hassle of deleting them one by one. This method will save you time and keep your calendar organized, allowing you to focus on the important events and tasks ahead. Remember, this action is permanent, so do ensure that you're ready for this change or back up any information that you might need later. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and that it makes managing your schedule a lot easier. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.